FireMagic brings grilling to a whole new level. With Diamond Sear cooking grids made from 304 stainless steel, designed to perform at the highest temperatures for extended periods. With a tight spacing of 0.35 inches, the Diamond Sear cooking grids are easier to cook on than traditional rounded cooking grids, minimizing food waste that typically falls through. These grids promote optimal heat transfer to the food, resulting in faster cooking times. The wider grid surface provides more points of contact, creating beautiful sear marks on the meat. The smooth, non-stick surface makes flipping easier and keeps the meat intact, ensuring nothing goes to waste. You can also retrofit your existing power burner or searing station with Diamond Sear cooking grids. Whether you're doing a crawfish boil or grilling the perfect ribeye steak, Diamond Sear cooking grids are ready to satisfy your cravings.